Assalamualaikum guys, you are watching Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a matrix vector in Termux. For that, you have to install some packages. First, you have to type pkg update and add pkg upgrade and hit enter. Now wait for some time. Now you have to type pkg install C matrix. Now you have to type C matrix and hit enter. And that's it. This is how to make a C matrix vector in Termux. I hope you guys like it. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech for more informative videos related to technology, ethical hacking, and cybersecurity.